So inside the box, you get this little pamphlet that has your member card and a couple like really nice recipe cards in it. And then you open it up, and inside you have the drinking cup and then the base for the blender. Inside the cup also comes a little pamphlet that has some tips on how to make a good smoothie, some techniques to use, and some safety instructions as well. So that's very helpful to read first.
The cup is nice and big. It holds 17 ounces, and it's all BPA free and dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup super easy.
Now I just have to attach the lid and set it in the base, and then you press down on the cup to blend. And then the nice part is when you're done blending, it comes with this lid top that you can add to the top, and then you can drink from it.
I am super happy with the quality of this blender, and I can highly recommend it.